Hi friends, how are you all? And today I thought I'll do something different. So let's see. Video is going on. I didn't like this video. So let me take. Okay, so this is done and I am live. So let's see if two things can be done at the same time. It's rather unique for me, but I like experimenting. So now this is my front profile. Now obviously here it is a mirror image. So this is my right profile. This is my left profile, and I think to be honest, this profile is better than this, and this certainly better than this. So guys, let's talk, let's interact, and guys, start messaging and interacting. Today I did not prepare any lesson, or I'm not going to do any reading. Rather just talk about random things, starting from what happened like in the morning. I overslept. I woke up very late, and after waking up so late, just rushed with breakfast. My breakfast was special, as usual. The special breakfast. What can be more special than Kellogg's Chocos? And then I came to my room. I started watching some comedy. The best comedy for me for all times is Friends. Even though I avoided it for around 2 months, it got to me. Now, when I go and look into Netflix, I don't find any rom coms, because most of the rom coms that I have seen are similar. I think Sandra Bullock does rom coms very well. So I've seen a couple of rom coms of hers. Lake House, or Lake House, not exactly a rom com, but a nice movie about her. And then there was a one with Ryan Reynolds. So what was that? What was that? Ryan Reynolds and The Proposal. Yeah, I suppose it was Proposal. फिर उसके बाद अगर मैं हिंदी कार्यक्रमों के बारे में बताऊं, तो हिंदी में तो आज मैंने क्या देखा, मेरे ख्याल से तो कुछ भी नहीं देखा हिंदी प्रोग्राम। बस तो हिंदी न्यूज़ चल रहा था, तो बस वही देखा। और मैं काफ़ी देर तक सोच में पड़ी थी भट्ट फैमिली के बारे में, और भट्ट फैमिली के साथ साथ रिया चक्रवर्ती वगैरह, और काफ़ी लोग होंगे जिन्हें रिया चक्रवर्ती पसंद होगी, और काफ़ी लोग ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं जिन्हें रिया चक्रवर्ती नहीं पसंद करती होगी। लेकिन एक बंदी जो मुझे बड़ी पसंद है वो है कंगना रनावत। वो दिल खोल के बातें करती है, किसी भी चीज़ का जवाब देने में हिचकती नहीं है, बहुत ही निडर है। और चूँकि बाय बर्थ मैं राजपूत हूँ, इसलिए मुझे एक तो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर मैंशनिंग, आई एम गोइंग अगेंस्ट द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, and I want to be tolerant to every. I believe in humanity. And yes, we may favor, if you're a girl, you'll favor a girl, a female friend than than a male friend, right? But I do not believe in superiority of any caste, color, creed. Everybody is human. All I believe is color type, blood group. Color, with color type I meant, all I mean all I meant was there are different blood groups. That is all, different locations, but all human beings are basically the same. And what else? Even male and female, if you want, you can distinguish them, but everything will bring something. World or people around us have become so offensive that now whenever I'm about to say something genuine, and then I'm like, oh, am I offending the fundamental rights, am I crossing directive principles? That's what comes to my mind. So I'm not able to speak a lot of things. But yes, certainly I believe in humanity, and I want to respect the preamble, all the rules and all the sections, subsections that are mentioned in the Constitution of India. But yes, uh, leaving that behind, I do believe bravery doesn't have a caste. So even if somebody is of the lowest of caste or highest of caste, you can have principles, you can have the abilities or qualities that are appreciated. Like for me, I would uh, I would love to be brave. In fact, I try to be brave, but then there have been situations, and you get formatted, modulated in such a way that your is uh, bravery is not allowed to progress. You are worried about what people will think more than people. You're worried about what your family will go through. You don't want your family to be affected. So bravery is one quality I like, which is an abstract noun. And apart from bravery, honesty obviously is a big winner. And truth, I think truth is important, but the degree varies, because you cannot, being diplomatic in this world, you cannot say the truth 100%. There has to be a little bit of diplomacy involved. Okay guys, I've tried something different today. Let me see what happens. I've taken, if I do this successfully, it will be a good record, and I'll be like saving a lot of time. So guys, do watch my videos, and also comment for suggestions, feedback, share it with every person you know, subscribe and ask all your friends to subscribe. While you subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get all notifications from my channel. Till then, it's bye from me, Sanju. Take good care of yourself, your family, and your friends, without whom your life will be nothing. Ta-ta.